Hey, it's Lisa with Cool Tears magazine. Skottles, like this one from Tembo Tusk, they're all the rage in the overlanding community. And what we're working to find out is, can you use just this instead of your traditional camp stove while out camping? We're going to find out on this series of Will It Skottle. So we're going to put it to the test and see if we can do anything that we want to do with this thing. And tonight is popcorn night. Be sure to put in the comments below the next things you want me to try to skottle on our series of Will It Skottle. Sure sounds like it's working. Replacing a camp stove with a Skottle only works if it's really easy to use. So let's see how quickly we can clean this up. Put a little bit of a coarse salt on there. Could be more coarse than this. It's probably cooled enough. We're just going to wipe. And that's going to get any of the crumbly bits off, which is similar. Just going to scrape the salt off then. Similar to how you clean a cast iron pan. Done. Ooh, mosquitoes are coming out. Next up is going to be coffee. Can you skottle coffee? I don't know. That's kind of a disc. Looks like a big wok. Can I figure out how to skottle coffee? Next.